Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video where we are doing the hilarious scene of Jess's car when Rory and Lorelai double egg it and Luke and Jess find it. I just think this is like the funniest scene and I really wanted to paint it, so let's paint. The buildings are sort of like a brownish purple light cream color. It's hard to describe. This scene takes place in the like kind of like town center, so these are storefronts it's looking like, and they're all kind of like the same color. So I feel like the scene is so funny because it's like a 2-for-1. They get to piss off Jess but also use the eggs that are from Sherry that they really didn't want to take home in the first place. So I just think it's just, I don't know, classic mother-daughter revenge scene, and I loved it. Okay, so now we're going to go in with some details. So with a darker shade, right about here, there is a doorway. Okay, so now for the street, I'm just gonna kind of block this in and add shadow later, and then I'm gonna go back into the background too and add more detail. There's some trees. This whole painting is looking a little monochromatic for my taste, so there's like orange trees in the background that I would like to add in. The car is sort of like a deep red. That color by just mixing red and green, and then I'm gonna paint over the deviled eggs in my drawing because it'll be easier to just go over them. And then in this color there's a little bit of some of that color from up top from the buildings. This is red, green, and blue. This color for the windows. This color for Jess's denim jacket is just blue with yellow ochre. I'm gonna put just a few pumpkins in here, and then I'm gonna put a little wreath on the doors. deviled eggs all over his car. I really love this scene from the show and had a blast painting it. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone!